From where this sound is coming? I can't see it. Hi friends. Today we are going to do something really exciting. We are going to make this sound visible. For that, we need to set up a magical sound show. Come on. Now it's time to bring out our sound making tools. There we go. Everything is all set up. Now we are going to make noise. Wow, look at the rice. It's dancing. Make sounds. The air jiggles and giggles just like the dancing rice. Isn't that awesome? Thanks for joining in our super fun sound party. Remember, sound is everywhere and they love to make things dance. See you next time. Bye-bye.